Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to find your Bitcoin transaction ID on Cash App. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open the Cash App on your device. Once the app opens, tap on the clock icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This section displays your transaction history, including your most recent activity. Next, look through your transactions and find the Bitcoin transaction you want to check. Once you find it, tap on the transaction to open the details page. On this screen, you will see information such as the amount of Bitcoin sent, transaction fees, and the blockchain confirmation status. Now scroll through the available options until you find the Block Explorer option. Tap on it to continue. After selecting Block Explorer, you will be redirected to a page that displays your Bitcoin transaction details, including the Bitcoin transaction ID. To copy the transaction ID, tap on the clipboard or copy icon located next to the transaction ID. Once you tap it, the Bitcoin transaction ID will be copied to your device so you can paste and share it wherever needed. That's it. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.